Hey, g'day everyone, Mark Wilson here from Dancing with the Stars. What you don't know about me is in another life, I'm a tradie. So I'm a fitter and machinist. It's a bit funny to say, you see me in a dancing suit and then my wife will see me in overalls. But I'm here today with Josh and the team from Marquee Flooring, and they are just on the Gold Coast, but they are just the most amazing people because I've laid some floor myself, which I would advise don't ever do, get someone else professional to do it. And I had a problem, so I phoned Josh and the team, and I couldn't fix it. It was so frustrating because I knew it was going to take me hours. They sent out this wonderful guy, Jamie, who works with them, and it just shows that he fixed the problem I had he fixed it in 10 minutes. So, and he was so good because he knew exactly what to do. He knew the product, he knew how to treat the product, and he knew how to make it all come together. And then in 10 minutes, I'll fix that. I did that while he was there, he fixed these things. But that 10 minutes, you know, kind of what you pay for is the 30 years that Jamie had and the team here had in experience. And that's why I'm saying this is the fourth floor I've had from them. I've laid a floor that's 27 metres by 17 metres. I had another one that was 23 metres by, I think it was 12 metres. That was
the big one.
So Surface Balance Golf Club, Seagulls, one at the Italian club on the Gold Coast, and now at my own home. They have looked after me with the product, the Quickstep product I've had that is fabulous, and advised me correctly all the way. And nothing's ever a problem, Josh.
No, I try and make it as easy as possible. We try.
Yeah, you do, and you do a great job of that because nothing's ever a problem when I phone up. It's just kind of real easy. Yeah, Mark, do this, Mark, do that. So I'm saying that because you can do it yourself, which I did, and it's an okay job, but it's not a professional job unless you get Marquee Flooring to do what they need to do.
But it was easy-ish with the better products?
Oh, the products are just fabulous. You know, they're just, honestly, it's easy to work with because you're not having to overwork trying to get something together because it clicks beautifully together. That's the key.
Yeah, perfect.
And I know it's going to last.
Yeah.
So, and I was watching the video, the consistency is the thing. Having something consistent to be successful in anything. We became champions, my wife and I, by being consistent all the time. That's what I get from the team. So thanks, mate.
No problem. Thank you so much. Thank you very much.